The RGB is so bright and it looks really nice with the rest of the build that we have here. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the MSI RTX 3080 Ti Gaming X Trio GPU. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. Product photography is on point. The design is beautiful. And on the back, you can see we have some additional information about this particular card. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature featuring a quick user guide complete with QR codes. And it has multiple languages supported on the guide. We also have a graphics card support bracket. This will be helpful to you installing the bracket. Check that out. 3 simple steps to get it installed. Next, you can see we have the bracket itself right here. It looks really nice. We also have an adhesive pad for it. You can see that right here. And lastly, we have the GPU itself. This is a big boy. Check this out. Triple fan design with the MSI dragons on them. Looking at it from the top, you can see MSI's branding, GeForce RTX. Our power connectors right there, our cooling, you can start to see some of that along the sides too with our heat pipes. Here it is from the bottom side. Again, gonna just remove that before use. And a nice plastic protective cover from MSI. So nice job, MSI. Thanks for including that. Didn't skimp there. And then you can see on this side, we have all of our different connection options. So we're gonna have multiple display ports. So you can see 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port right there. And then you can look at it from the back side as well. This looks great. GeForce RTX, MSI's logo. What more can you ask for on a back plate like that? Looks pretty sweet if you ask me. So nice looking card, very thick too. So make sure you got room in your case for a card like this. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything installed. All right, so we got the GPU installed right here. Check it out, everything looks great. The RGB is so bright and it looks really nice with the rest of the build that we have here. Triple power cables connected. We currently do not have the built-in support bracket installed, but I highly recommend that you do that so you prevent any sort of GPU sag. But look at that. She's beautiful. Let's go ahead and benchmark it. Now let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to the MSI RTX 3080 Ti. Here's what I want to say. First thing is, this is the complete package. RGB galore if that's what you're into. Triple fan design to keep it running nice and cool. Everything works great. They even give you a support bracket right out of the box. So really happy with the complete kit and package that MSI offers. In our benchmarking, as you would expect, it's a pretty substantial upgrade over the RTX 3070 Ti from MSI. And it's trading punches and blows with the RTX 3080, usually finishing slightly ahead. I would say maybe somewhere 10 or 20%, just depends on the application and what you're doing with this card or even the games that you're playing. In regards to value, as prices continue to drop, it makes this card more appealing. 6 months ago, even just a couple months ago, I would definitely say the RTX 3080 is the way to go for the price to performance. But as everything continues to drop in price and we get more availability, this becomes a much better deal.